Hi everyone. Every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to fix this. If your Kia shows the message taking a rest or something like consider taking a break, don't panic thinking the car is broken. This actually comes from the driver attention warning system, which basically monitors how you drive. It's like having a slightly overprotective co-pilot reminding you that your safety comes first. Many mechanics here in the shop tell me this usually appears on long trips or when you've been driving for a while without stopping. There are even cases where the message shows up even if you feel alert, because the system detects patterns associated with fatigue, irregular steering movements, slight lane deviations, or long periods without brakes. The car isn't guessing, it's interpreting your behavior to keep you attentive. Most of the time, the message disappears on its own after a few minutes of driving or after taking an actual break. Some mechanics jokingly say that a Kia is like that persistent friend who keeps asking, "Seriously, don't you want a coffee?" And while it can be annoying if it appears too soon, it's not a car error, it's a safety reminder. In newer models, this alert cannot be completely turned off. What you can do in some cases is adjust the sensitivity of the driver attention system, but the function will always remain because it's designed to protect you. So even if it seems a little over the top, the message makes sense. It's meant to reduce the risk of distraction or fatigue on the road. If you notice the message appearing in unusual situations, like on short trips or quiet streets, some mechanics recommend a dealership check. They can verify if the system is properly calibrated or if a software update could improve how it interprets your driving patterns. Sometimes, a simple update adjusts the sensitivity and prevents unnecessary alerts.